Here at Energy Suspension, we are always working toward amazing new products for the vehicles on the road. Some of those vehicles you don't see every day, and we have been lucky enough to have one of those gems in our R&D lab this week. Here we have a rare 1970 El Camino SS that we will be installing our Energy Suspension Performance Body Mount bushings on. You will want to start by connecting a chain to the chassis and make sure it is weighed down properly. Due to the frame on the El Camino, you will want to use modified 2x4s to best support the vehicle when lifting the body. Prior to lifting the body, you will need to loosen and remove some of the original hardware to avoid damaging the vehicle. Some rust buildup may occur. This is normal. Now that the original hardware has been removed, you can begin raising that side of the vehicle using your pre-positioned jacks. You will want to monitor the separation closely, as you only need a certain amount of space to remove the stock body mount bushings. Now that the body has separated, you can begin removing the stock bushings. You can adjust the height of the body as needed. This El Camino has 7 positions with a total of 14 mounting positions. You will want to make sure you have fully replaced all positions prior to completing the job. Now that all stock bushings have been removed on that side, you can begin installing the new bushings. Make sure that you clean all of the mounting positions prior to installing the new body mount bushings. Once all of the new bushings have been installed, you can install the new hardware, but don't fully tighten it yet. That comes later after you've completed the other side. Once all of the new bushings and hardware have been pre-installed, you can lower the body and repeat the same steps on the other side. Some positions will be easier to work with than others. If you are not having success with a certain position, move on to another and come back to it. Once all of the new bushings have been installed on the other side, you can begin installing the new hardware. Lower the body, and then fully tighten all hardware on both sides. We recommend following manufacturer torque specs for all vehicles unless otherwise specified in your instruction sheet. Now that your new body mount set has been successfully installed on your vehicle, you are going to want to do a visual inspection to make sure your body lines up properly and complete a test drive. All Energy Suspension products are backed by a 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty.